Hello everyone, welcome back again to the garden. I guess guys, I forced myself. Listen friends, I am so grateful for you guys for watching the video and subscribing. Today I am pressure wash the driveway. Oh guys, I everything guys, it had to be a disaster for me. Guys, there's a piece of that thing. I've been trying to find it like for almost 2 hours. Finally, friends, I just find it and backward inside of that same pressure wash machine, guys. Don't worry about my gosh, guys. This is, listen, guys, I need prayer. It's everything I try to do, something always on my way. But you know what? Finally, I find it. And then, you know what? I hope it's washed. It's work. This is the first time I'm going to use it. And you guys know I'm by myself. My husband is overseas and my son left for school. I'm doing everything by myself. It's a struggle, but it is what it is. That make me stronger. I mean, I don't need nobody to do my things. So far, this is what I have here, and then if it's work, I will come back showing you guys the result. And let me show you guys, this is a part of the thing right here. Oh shit, this is a part of the driveway. You see how bad it is, the color, because of course I have plants. It's always gonna be like this, but this is what I have so far. All right guys, thank you so much for watching.